Simulated, real-life data training that gives you the experience employers are looking for and only pay when you land the job. Step into the real world of data on day one of training. Our curriculum immerses you in a synthetic e-commerce business that works on 500+ million rows of data. Our industry-experienced coaches teach you all the real technical, professional, business, and career skills employers are looking for. Our curriculum is split into 3 parts: Acquire, Apply, and Accelerate. Acquire. The first part of our curriculum teaches you the hands-on data skills you need in partnership with DataCamp, so anyone with any level of data knowledge can learn. Apply. You will then apply all your skills in our fully immersed scenario, where you form part of a high-functioning data team. Accelerate. Our commitment doesn't end there. We provide ongoing career coaching, job search support, technical projects, and more. We've made exceptional training and careers more accessible by breaking down financial barriers. You can start training now and pay over up to 24 months once you've landed your new job. Plus, we offer various types of financial aid, including bursaries to help with living costs and 1 full fellowship per cohort. We cover all upfront costs of your training. We've aligned our incentives with your career goals. We're with you until you land your next job in data. Plus, if you land a job with one of our network employers, your training is completely free. Apply today and step into the world of data with confidence.